Hey everyone! Are you waiting for a verification code in Gmail but it's not showing up? Here's how to fix it. First, open your Gmail and then check the spam, promotions, and social tabs. Sometimes the code is filtered into these folders. Now swipe down to refresh your Gmail inbox. The code might just be delayed. You can also use the search bar and search for Google, Instagram, or Facebook, and this helps locate the email if it's buried. And make sure that you have a connected and stable internet connection like Wi Fi or mobile data. And also make sure that your inbox isn't full. If the storage is full and new emails won't come in, delete unnecessary emails or empty your trash to free space. And make sure the email you entered in the app or website is spelled correctly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.